This is your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. Today I'm going to show you guys, I'm making, I'll put the picture up. I'm making like this 3D elastic bra. I see a lot of stuff over on Pinterest. And I also made the shorts the same way. So when you take the elastic, you take it, let me cut it. You measure it out to where you want it. And I normally would sew it, but with me sewing it, it's taking a lot more time than what I want to do. So I'm actually just gluing the pieces. So when you have the bra on, the bra going to go like that, but then the elastic piece is going to be up above like that. So when you measure out, I already glued this side to kind of get me started. So now I'm going to take it and glue this portion. So when you put it on, it has that flexibility that it needs, and it's going to be like really cute. When I put the thing up on Pinterest, I saw it off Pinterest and I fell in love with it. I actually made the underwear too. So I actually took like some boy shorts and did it as well with the boy shorts. So you take the elastic and glue it right there. So you glue it right there, and then we're going to glue the other side. And then if you want more around the waist, around the bottom, or to make a choker piece, you can actually do that as well. In the shorts, I actually sewed the elastic on. I measured it around my leg, and I kind of went from there. But when I saw this, I completely fell in love with it. I was like, oh my gosh, I really got to have those underwear. So again, guys, it's really simple. I'm taking the elastic, taking a hot glue gun, and gluing it. And be careful not to burn yourself, because this hot glue, I tell you, it is a mess. It burns really bad. So I'm taking a hot glue and gluing it, and hold it down a couple seconds. And then we're going to do the other side. Hold it a couple seconds. And then put it up here so you can try to see, to make sure that when you do the next piece. So when you put it up there, because when you have on the bra, you want the elastic to be over the top, kind of fits like that. So when I get ready to do this side, I want to make sure that my elastic is over the top, so it kind of sort of goes like that. So I actually think that this piece is a lot longer, so I'm gonna have to wind up cutting some of it off. But when I saw this, I really fell in love with it. I'm like, oh, I gotta have that bra. I gotta have that bra. I gotta have the panties. So I ordered, well, not, I didn't order. I went to Walmart and got the booty short underwear. And I did my bottom. And then I actually have on a pair of shorts, because I'm actually going to show you guys what it looked like when you put it on. But it's like really cute, sexy to go underneath your clothes. But I think they wear it with their dresses. So and I think it's done. Just a matter of letting it dry. But there you go, guys. And then if you want more, some people take the elastic and take it all over. So I just kind of want to give you guys an idea of that. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. I'll show you guys what it looks like on. Bye. Guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. I'm going to show you guys my 3D underwear. So if you guys see, I took the elastic and you put the elastic up here across the bra and you glue it from here to there. And if you want to go more, you can keep going with the elastic like here, there. Now with the shorts, I actually use the sewing machine. So you take the width and go around your leg and you sew the width of your leg and then you connect it. And just for you guys to know, I have on shorts. I know a lot of times people be all hating. These are, I got on shorts, so I'm not on here nude. I got a pair of black shorts on as well as these shorts that's on top. So, but I wanted to show you guys it's trending all over Pinterest. But you guys can buy the elastic, and I actually got this from Walmart. I paid $4.95 for the panty shorts, and I paid $4.95 for the bra, and then I paid $1.95 for the elastic. So I will sew the elastic around the legs versus the hot glue, because I would be nervous that the hot glue may come loose. So, but this is like that elastic 3D underwear that's trending, guys, and you can put it on under your clothes, and just, you know, when you take off your clothes, just have something really amazing, awesome and sexy, guys. So that's what you do. You'll measure from the front, do your chalk marking, and then you'll sew it here from the width of the elastic. You take it around your leg how you want it around your leg, and sew that piece, and then you can add as many as you want, like going all the way around. And I got them in the back, guys. I have them connected in the back as well. But I seen this on Pinterest, and they normally wear it with a sheer things. But I wanted to show you guys how to make that 3D elastic, kind of like, I would say, it's very sexy, beautiful lingerie at home. So guys, the hot glue gun here, there, and then you can do as many layers as you want. And try to make sure you get the hot glue that says for fabrics, guys. So, okay, guys, you can make this 3D lovely, like, I guess I consider like lingerie set at home with the elastic around it. And it's very different. White, black, pink, whatever color you guys want. So thank you guys so much for watching A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. And you can make sexy, beautiful, trending lingerie at home. Bye-bye.